Hello everyone, welcome to FEELM, the world's leading optimization solution provider. Today I'm going to introduce our new product, SQUEEZY Pod. As you could see the design, there's a drifty spark design, like a sand clock, very beautiful and simple. Also, you could squeeze the silicone gel to help you to release your pressure. For the heating technology, we use our brand new heating technology, FEELM Pro, to ensure every puff of our product to give you a strong, consistent and smooth flavor. SQUEEZY Pod, more than vaping.